Hopefully my camera doesn't take a plunge. Look at that. Look at that fun thing. Now that's not all of it either. I wish I was wearing gloves. I know you guys were wishing I'm wearing gloves. I'm wishing I'm wearing gloves. I'm going to show you the worst thing you can see at a laundromat when you walk in. This is something you never want to see at a laundromat, is water everywhere. I mean, it's all over here. It was actually worse. We've been sucking it up for a little bit. But it's all around those islands. It's up there in the corner, you can see it. What's happened is this island has a pipe that runs to this island, and both of them drain in the same pipe into the lint separator behind that door. Well, somewhere in this part here, somewhere between here, there's a clog in it. I'm going to show you why. Now, once a month, well, about every 2 weeks I clean out my lint separator, and the other day I pulled it out, it looked like this. When you see all that, I mean, it's just full. I don't know how I've gone from being able to go a couple weeks to this is a couple days after I cleaned it out. But basically, that pipe you see right there goes to that island. It goes that direction and it goes out that door, under that door. That is plugged. The outflow is right here, and it's fine. And this is just, see all the mud, this is the nastiest job you'll ever do. Now some people would be like, why don't you hire this done? Normally I would have Roto-Rooter do this, but they're a little backed up at the moment. Literally they're backed up with business. So we're gonna see if I can get, I'm hoping it's just a foot or two out there. So I'll bring you along for this adventure. This is so much fun. I'm starting to notice black stuff coming out. Oh, there's some fun just came out of there. This one I'm telling you, you guys are missing. Hopefully my camera doesn't take a plunge. Look at that. Look at that fun thing. Now that's not all of it either. I wish I was wearing gloves. I know you guys were wishing I'm wearing gloves. I'm wishing I'm wearing gloves. And it's what it is this rug. That's what this is. Placemat. Someone washed a placemat a few weeks ago, and I found it in the washer. I should have done a video. It was all jammed up. I didn't think any of it made it down the drain, but lo and behold, it did. All right, let's get this unclogged. I think I'm immune to COVID and Omnicotton and all the other viruses. This is why, because I don't know what I'm playing in. We just shove it in there. Oh, it went farther this time. I might be lucky, folks. That might be all it was. See all the water coming out now? We're going to turn it around and see if we can drag anything out with us. You just twist this, and you're twisting the end of that thing so that it digs in. This is not the best setup. All right, before I dump you guys in the drink there, we're going to go run some water down her. We've got a buddy out there. Well, what we're going to do now is pop this lid off. And we're actually going to pop this lid off, and we're going to take the lines off. Now, that got busted. Clean up in aisle 5. That fell off. That's from people monkeying with that thing. And what we got right here is these hoses. Now, one of these I shut off. That one right there. So I'm going to take this one off. Now before, that thing would fill up so fast, it would overflow. I'm gonna see if anything gets backed up, and I can hear it now. I bet it's gonna push something out. See how it's picking up speed? I bet there's another clog of stuff. Sometimes the water will flush it out if you get enough pressure behind it and you get it loose. Fine time to do it, but I noticed the laundromat needed changed out. And this is a horrible laundromat to do it at. These are 60 pounders. That's a weekend. This is an 80 pounder. See, farther away from the door. A couple of these are out of order over here. That's why I don't have quarters in them. Or I don't have them turned on. 30 pounders. That one needs a drain fixed. This one's actually out of order. I'm here to fix it too. Yeah, turn that back on. Because that one, I don't know. Look at that, what, 5 machines? Yeah, it's running. Basically, I fixed that one there. Needed a drain valve. Had a fuse out. Needed a cold water. This needed a hot and a cold. And then that one there, what it needs is a computer needs to be resoldered. And I borrowed the drain valve from it, so I got to put a drain valve back in it. Would have filmed more of it, but I had customers coming in and out, and it's kind of weird. One guy was really strange, a couple homeless people, so we'll see when we get to the next one. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna go eat lunch, and then I'm gonna go to laundromat number 3, and we got to change out, we got some horizons we got to start tearing apart. Door locks. I got to take the bearings out of a couple. So let's go to the next project.